Hello, so thank you for joining me for this demo of Xefr and our integration with Chat GPT. Xefr is a data process and orchestration platform, and it allows us to bring together data and processes from lots of different applications into a single pane of glass. And it's a bedrock on top of which that we build a lot of our software for our clients. Now, you will no doubt have heard of Chat GPT recently. It's made some huge waves in the AI space and has really transformed how we use and interact with natural language processing algorithms. Now, this example is using a map-based interface, and we've loaded it with the geolocated data for all of the road accidents that the police force attended to last year in the mainland UK. Now, one of the examples we may want to use with this data set is perhaps looking for accidents that occurred in the wet. So here we can write accidents in the rain, press search, and that's located all the accidents that occurred in the rain. Perhaps zooming into my neck of the woods, we can click on one of these, and we can see that the weather conditions were indeed raining and the road surface was wet or damp. Now we can go a little bit further with this integration and run queries such as accidents in the rain involving a bicycle at a roundabout. Press search for here. Obviously there's a far fewer number of examples here, but clicking on this one, for example, we can see the road type was indeed a roundabout. It was raining. One of the vehicle types involved a pedal cycle. And the important thing to note about here is we didn't write pedal cycle into the inputs, and previous techniques we've used to create searches like this would have struggled with this particular example. But due to the embeddings used by Chat GPT, it knows that bicycle and pedal cycle are one of the same thing. Now, the GPT integration is also geo-aware, so it knows about locations. So we can also run queries such as find the accidents within 4 miles of Chelmsford town centre. Press search, and you can see that this returns the data indeed within 4 miles of Chelmsford town centre. So one of the things we also speak to our clients about is a concern around the amount of data that's leaking to external services such as OpenAI. And we've been able to construct this integration in such a way that really limits the amount of identifying data that gets sent out. A lot of your data is still kept locally to yourselves. And this really does improve the scenarios where we can implement and use this technique. So hopefully this demonstration has been useful. Hopefully you can see the power that can be gained from using a Chat GPT style interface on top of your data. If you'd like to find out more about this, or indeed about our Xefr platform, then please do get in touch. Thank you.